Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and this is Challenging Kitchen. Tonight, we're going to be utilizing some leftover ribeye steak. We're going to be making an Americanized, shelf-stable beef and broccoli, and we're going to show you how. Okay, so here's the items. When I say shelf-stable, beef and broccoli packet. This is about $1.06. Bamboo shoots. Baby cut corn. Oil. Some jasmine rice. Now on to our leftover. We have ribeye. And from the freezer, some broccoli and a leftover onion. I'm going to go ahead and get my rice started. It's only going to take about 25 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, the package directions, since it's just my husband and myself, we're going to use 1 cup of rice, and it's going to take 1.5 cups of water. And I am going to put a little bit of oil in there just to help it. So here is 1 cup. And I need 1/2 cup. There we go. Turn the burner on to high. I will add a little bit of oil here, just about a tablespoon. And then when it comes to a boil, we're gonna add our rice. Uh-oh. Rice everywhere. One cup of rice. And you might be asking, was that a Skippy peanut butter jar? Yes, it is. I am recycling this. I've washed it, dried it really well, and put my rice in it. Now, I'm just gonna follow the seasoning packet. It says add 1 seasoning packet, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. But hey, this is what I have. So, no shame in my game. 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, your beef, and then your broccoli. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Get all that salty goodness out, yeah. And it says mix the first 3 ingredients together. 3/4 cup of water. Here we go. There we go. Whisk that together. And it says just set it aside now. Okay, perfect. There we go. Doesn't look so appetizing, but it smells really good. All right. Our water is boiling for our rice. We'll bring you there. And here it goes. Okay, so the packet says that we're going to put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. So I'm going to do that now. Whoops. There we go. Get that heated up. And my husband is going to chop my vegetable and beef. All right. Now we're just going to add our onions. Get that going there. You can add more onions. This is what we had left over, so we're just using up what we have left over. Hey, and you know, if you don't have the beef and perhaps you've got chicken or you've got shrimp or pork, if you had gone out to dinner and you have leftovers like that, incorporate it. It's quick and easy and it's not wasting food. And we don't want to waste anything. So while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my broccoli because it's still partially frozen. I'm going to add that. And we're just going to cook that up. I'm going to put just a little bit of the mix in now. Just a little. And let those veggies continue to cook. There we go. Smells pretty good. We added 2 cloves of garlic because we forgot. Let that continue to cook for a few minutes. We don't want the broccoli mushy, so I've got to keep an eye on it. We'll be back. Okay, so our onions have cooked down a bit. They're softer. The broccoli is getting there. I'm going to transfer this out onto a plate and I'm going to add my beef. Right into the pan there. quick stir around. Get our mix, the rest of our mix. Pour it in. This has some cornstarch in it in this packet, so you see that it's bubbling up like a gravy. I don't want my meat overdone, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my veggies back in. Get all that good garlic out of there. And now I'm just gonna add my bamboo shoots that I've already drained. My baby cut corn. Mix it around. Get everything nice and coated. I've turned this down to a simmer. And this will go over rice. Now, how quick and easy was that? I think this took a total of maybe 15 minutes tops. There we go. I'm just gonna put a lid on it, let it simmer.